Good evening. How are you? And
I'm fine. And thanks for
yeah,
asking. And what
yeah,
about you?
yeah. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking about me. So, can you introduce yourself a little bit?
Yes. So,
So now,
my name is Rajpal and I'm from UP and my district name is Rampur. And
again, bro, bro, yeah, I would like to say that again, issue your network, voice issue is I'm facing. Actually, voice your voice is sometimes breaking and sometimes is very low. Actually, I can't hear you properly. So how can viewers hear you properly? Actually, I would like to recommend you, plug out, earphones, plug out
not
earphones. So maybe it would be a second. It could be good.
you know, okay. I think I'm just telling you, it should be me because I'm not getting your voice because the wind is blowing, behind of you and surrounding of you. So I'm getting
You
the
are not,
problem of that.
you are not also listening me properly.
No,
Hearing.
I'm catching your sense, but it should be me to make the complaints of not having your voice. But I'm speaking loudly. Still, you are saying that your voice is not coming. So I don't know what are the reasons. I think the fan was driving, over me. So it may be the cause. But
Okay,
now I
okay,
have
okay.
stopped my fan.
Just,
But
just
but
leave the subject. Okay, let's start the conversation. Okay. Now introduce yourself.
yes. So my name is Rajpal. I'm from BP, and my district name is Rampur. And I have completed my master with political science. My hobbies are reading books, diary writings, and playing badminton. And practicing yoga is my one of the favorite hobbies. So it is all about me.
Okay, okay. So one of your hobbies is reading books.
Yes.
So can you recommend me some books to read so that I
I
can
think
yeah.
okay. So first of all, I think you should read. I think that is the Bhagavad Gita. You should start with
Okay,
that.
yeah,
Yes.
I have this desire. Actually, I have not that much money, so to buy that book. So I will do it, and I took your advice very sincerely.
Okay.
Okay, and I will
So do
follow
you?
later.
Okay. So do you really wants to read the Bhagavad Gita?
Yeah, I love I have desire to read Bhagavad Gita actually, but I don't have money, so I can't buy. But when I have money, so I will buy it. This book.
But yes, I'm just telling you. But you can read the Bhagavad Gita on your phone,
But I'd like to read in
physically.
in
Physical.
yeah,
Okay.
in book, in
So
book.
okay. So in that context, I can help you if you think. So
Yeah, yeah.
you
Why not?
just
Why not?
okay. So
Yeah,
I'm telling you one thing. Just order on the Flipkart. Okay. Do you know Flipkart?
yeah. I know Flipkart, but actually, I know at Flipkarts and so many applications where I can get this book. But I have one problem is that I don't have money. So how
I
can I
will,
buy?
I will, I will give the money. You just, you just, just give the order. When the book delivered to you, I will cut I will pay the money. You
Thank
just,
you, and you
because,
are very kind. You are very
yes,
kind. You are very kind. Yeah, definitely I will do it.
no, you should do because I have taken the oath to give distribute the Bhagavad Gita to the
Thank you so
hundreds.
much, Aaron. Thank you so much. Actually, you inspired me a lot. So definitely, I will do it right now. Okay, after conversation,
Okay,
and I will let you
yes.
know that, and then you will help me, and definitely I will return this money. Okay, later.
No. This is because I'm just telling you the fact. I have decided to distribute the hundreds Bhagavad Gita free of cost. So, so this is if you had said that you don't, so I will pay the money. You just give the order, and that day,
Actually,
uh,
brother, wait 1 second. I can't see you properly. Actually, you are not visible here. You are not
now,
visible here. So let me fix the issue. Definitely.
now,
Ciao, Malia.
yes.
Hello.
Yes, I'm listening to you. Hello.
Hello, Rajpal.
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Just wait a second. Your voice is coming very low. Actually,
Okay.
what is the issue? I am not getting. Okay.
It may be the network issue. I think so.
Yeah. Just wait a second. I think I have muted. Yeah. Now you speak.
Okay, so I was saying that after this conversation, you just give the order on the Flipkart, and
Okay.
they take the money when they will deliver the book to you. Okay, when they will when the day the book will be come, and you give me your the personal number. Okay, and
Yeah.
you just add me in the your WhatsApp group if we have. And that day the book will be delivered. You just call me, and I will pay the fee to the Flipkart. So
You
that
you
person.
won my heart, yeah. You won my heart. Actually,
No,
I'm very impressed by you. Yeah, definitely, definitely. You are very inspirational, and I take it very seriously, and definitely I will read it. And
yes,
I will never forget you. Actually, you have become my friend. So
yes,
will you
yes.
accept my friend request?
Yes, definitely, definitely. It's my goodness, because I just mentioned to you that I have decided to distribute the hundreds Bhagavad Gita to anyone, those whoever wants to learn the Bhagavad Gita, because I feel that Bhagavad Gita is something which gives a lot of things to us, and we
Yeah,
can come up. And
awesome.
so if you are the because I was thinking that because uh, there are just so many learners they don't want to read the Bhagavad Gita. So, but you said that you are very interested to read the Bhagavad Gita. So
Yeah,
it's
I'm very
it
interested. I have been interested, but due to this, financial reason, I could not able to purchase this book. So I actually, I hear, Bhagavad Gita on YouTube every day. Except it, I don't do anything. And sometimes I watch movies so that I can get better in English, and that's it. And I don't watch, any song, any, comedy. Just my focus on spiritual and this language. So
okay.
thank you.
So
And
so
yeah, definitely I'm very happy with myself. Actually, when you are very interested and when you want to do something in your life, so definitely God will help you. Definitely you are
thank you.
just like God, sent you to me. So definitely I will
Yes,
in my, yeah, in my life and do it. Okay. So
yes,
now
true.
why are you doing this? Why are you distributing, Bhagavad Gita? Yeah, I can understand that everyone should do this. So why are you doing this? Where did you get this inspiration?
Yes, I think that was the COVID-19. I mean, I was very much disturbed because I was in the college at that point of time. It was 2021, and I was very desperate, and I was, you can say, not depressed, but I was not getting the sense what to do in my life, and my college life went in disorder. And then someone suggested me to read the Bhagavad Gita, and then I read it. So my perspective about myself totally changed because so many things are there in the Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah, yeah. So many
They,
things, so many.
yes, and I think each and every verse of Bhagavad Gita is like the golden words.
Yeah, yeah,
And
definitely.
in my case, I have read the Bhagavad Gita 3 times till now, and now I'm going to read the Srimad Bhagavatam. So I think for me,
You
and
can see, I have got goosebumps. You can see here. You know,
yes,
I,
yes,
I have
yes.
got goosebumps. Actually, I'm very inspired by you.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
it's my
and
goodness. It's
I think I will not able to hold my tears. I will cry.
yes,
And
and you know,
yeah,
you just visit my YouTube channel. You would see that my logo is, and in my description there is also. clearly
Yeah, Hare
written is the
Krishna.
Lord Krishna, just Hare Krishna. So
Uh-huh.
I mean, I think if someone is try to learn the God and to understand about the God, so it would be a great privilege for me to help that person. And I'm not doing anything else. I don't think that money is anything. So I think it just I think I suppose that if this is with me as of now, so it may be that one day, someday will with you. So definitely, if you have the kindness, so you would definitely to help to someone else. So it's not just me to other person. So I'm just doing my job, and
So
I do hope that
how many books have you distributed so far?
look, actually this was the decision which I took the last month, which I took because before that the reason if I tell you very clearly, would you upload this video? Okay,
Yeah.
but can you edit the part which I'm going to tell you?
Yeah, I will add everything. Actually, I will not going to skip anything in this
Okay.
video. I will upload just without editing. Okay.
Yes, yes. So actually, I was the following the brahmacharya fast for a month, and then so I was not consistent with that. So that was breaking again and again, again. I was not understanding what to do, and then I decided that I would, if my fast go with good manners and I complete it, so I would distribute 100 books, but and this was the I think something which gave me a perspective about myself, that because I was not so concentrate, and this was decision which was taken by mine and nothing else than that.
Yeah. So can you tell me, Krishna Lila, something?
Like, for example,
Yeah,
give me.
Krishna Lila. When Krishna, took birth in, in jail, and what happened there? Can you tell
you
me
know,
something?
yes, yes, definitely. I think we all know that the Lord Krishna is the incarnation of the Lord Vishnu, and you know
Yeah.
very well. And so this was something like I would say the injustice was delivered by the I think the demon, I mean the Kans, and Lord Krishna mother and the father was in the
In the jail.
I mean in the jail. And
Yeah.
when the Lord Krishna when the Lord Krishna took the birth, so at that point of time he took birth as a Lord Narayan, I mean Lord Vishnu. And after the request of the their parents, he becomes a small child. Even it is written in the Bhagavad Gita also. And after that, and we all know that what he, and for some time he played like just what we call the Krishna Lila, and just serving to the cows, and just and after that he also took the part in the, we all know, in the Mahabharata. And I think so many interesting stories are there about the Lord Krishna.
Krishna, Bhagwan Krishna role was the biggest role in Mahabharata. Yeah,
Yes, and true. And but it is very painful to see that Lord Krishna took the initiative to clean up the demons, because so much injustice was there. And still some people think that Lord Krishna cheated with the Karna, Karan,
yeah, yeah.
and Duryodhan, because they were with the bad side. And so because when we are in the battle, so we have to take some decision in the way they may be the wrong, but we should take them. So Lord Krishna also took the same decision. For example, when there was the last when the I mean when Arjun decided to kill the Astama, Aswadhama. And the Lord, what did Lord Krishna, he I think he I think I
Actually,
would say not the
in my childhood, I used to watch a lot of, Mahabharata and so many things. So, and also when when I grown up, so in childhood, I did not have any, TV, any internet connection. So I used to go to other place to, other people's place and watched there. And, I used to spend there, 1 hour, 2 hour every day. So that's why. And in from childhood, I had curiosity to, know about what.
Okay. Okay, but
in in our community, in Hindu community, there are so many spiritual books. So yeah, I can understand. So can you tell me about something, uh, you know Srimad Bhagavad Gita, or
I
if you
think
want, yeah.
yes, yes. Ask. Like, because I think like when we talk about the Bhagavad Gita, so we just can take it in the one perspective. I mean, like suppose that I'm a student, so when I read the Bhagavad Gita from my perspective, so my perspective will be very different to the others. For example, I think every verse of the Bhagavad Gita had its own meanings. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is clearly mentioned that. If you have taken if you have take the decision against like your wealth, your I mean, no, not the family, but if they are doing the bad things, so you should be ready for that. For example, when the Lord Krishna was getting the understand to the Arjuna, because Arjuna was not ready to fight against their own teachers, on I mean on family members. So Lord got him understand, because we all know that the body which we have, it is just physically, but our soul which does not live with our body, so it changes in one form to other form. So
We are
and
the part and parcel of God. We are the
yes,
part
totally.
and parcel of God, Supreme Lord. Yeah.
Yes, and you mentioned about part and parcel. This is, I think, used in each and every verse of the Bhagavad Gita, most of the cases. And yes, this is mentioned that we are parts and part, a part of the Lord God, head Lord Krishna. And when you will read the Bhagavad Gita, your perspective will be totally changed about so many things,
Yeah,
because
I can
when
understand. Yeah,
and
I
just
have listened a lot, and on YouTube. So yeah, I can understand. You are
yes.
true.
Okay, just tell me. Actually, I give my intro, but you didn't give your intro.
Yeah, I'm Guru Kumar Raja. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoi district. I did BCA in 2021, and right now I'm at home. And my father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. We live in a village where no one can speak English, and no one talk about spiritual things. And so now you will play a very important in my role in my life, and I will take it seriously. And that's my introduction. And I would like, and I am preparing for MCA. Actually, I wanted to do a job, but my parents and my family want me to do MCA. So